Welcome back. One of the things that you can do with an MP4 is that you can output part of that MP4 as a GIF if you want to display that portion of the video in an image format. In order to do that, you're first going to go to the attach file area and you're going to upload your MP4 video. Once your video is uploaded, you'll want to determine which 5-second segment you want to have turned into a GIF. Now, there's no magic in the formatting. You want to make sure that you are expressing in seconds where you want the GIF to be created. What we're now going to do is we're going to click enter and we're going to allow ChatGPT to start the work of creating the GIF. You will then see an analyzing area. If you want to watch the process and you know Python, you can expand to see what is happening. Otherwise, what you can do is you can close this area and you can wait for ChatGPT to actually do the work of creating the GIF on your behalf. And ChatGPT will then output the GIF. You can click on the GIF and you can download it to your hard drive. And your GIF is now ready. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.